Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford F150 alternator. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet set, a serpentine belt tool, and your new alternator. Always ensure your truck is on a level surface with the parking brake firmly engaged. For safety, disconnect the negative battery cable using a 10mm wrench to prevent any electrical issues. The alternator is usually found at the front of the engine, making it accessible for replacement. Next, you'll need to remove the air intake tube and any other hoses that might be in your way to gain clear access. Use a 1/2-inch breaker bar on the serpentine belt tensioner to relieve tension, then carefully slide the belt off the alternator pulley. Now, disconnect the main power wire from the alternator, usually secured by a 13mm nut, and unplug the electrical connector from the back. Now it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully position it into its mounting bracket. Secure it with the mounting bolts, which are often 10mm and 13mm in size. Reconnect the electrical connector and the main power wire, ensuring a snug fit. Finally, route the serpentine belt correctly around all the pulleys, making sure it sits perfectly within each groove. Before closing up, double-check all your connections to ensure everything is secure and that no tools are left behind. Reconnect the negative battery cable to complete the circuit. Start your engine and listen for any unusual noises. Finally, verify your new alternator is working by checking the battery voltage, which should be around 14 volts with the engine running. This confirms a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.